Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
He has behaved. People should go shift. See somebody they balance the camera on top and leave a shoulder. Shift. It's not a mannequin, it's a human being. And if they don't answer, shift. Please shift. Move.
Bovi.
He wants to do something, then you will. No, I want to show him a picture, then I'll give you.
Bovi. Yes. Have you ever wondered why it's only Nigerian media that always cover party? The last time that I was under this small bomb at that little place. The reports. Bovi. That's when I lost hope. Oh. Sorry. I thought you would be at the discuss with you.
Yes, actually. So many practitioners here, if you take a look, I'm beginning to suspect these guys are making a movie with one of you guys. Alright guys, so now, ladies and gentlemen, like we said, we have lots of entertainment lined up for us, but we need to make ourselves really comfortable, and I'm talking to you guys especially, you have to find a way, if you have to go flat, please, because we can't do anything else.
Dbanj, just go like one day buy house and go you for nothing. I said, you know, you are moved, you said you are not for nothing. What I told you that I did, you are not for Dbanj, get everybody else. Shout out to all the beautiful ladies in the building. Watch I see you, how I see you. I do not know about we are the call of come and MC. Don't Bovi. Don't review this party, Charlie. Don't review it. I'm here. Don't review this party. It's a private party. It's not meant for review. There's no critique. And all the people that Charlie is reading your work, she's the one sitting down here. For those of you that want to put her.
Thank you so much for watching our videos, and importantly you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. And how to subscribe? There's a circle here written Gua TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's all.